All right, guys, in this video, I want to show you how to download and install Adobe Creative Cloud and then Adobe Lightroom and any other Adobe software that you'd like to use. So I'll put down in the description a link that will take you to this website right here. Once you get here, you're just going to want to click on the big blue download button right here. So click on that, and this page is going to load up, and it's going to ask you to sign in. And as long as you're in my class, your school email address is going to get you free access to all of the Adobe software, which is really, really cool. That's normally like $50 a month. So put in your school email address here. I'm going to put in mine and click on continue. And you got to go through kind of a weird process here. I don't know why, but it's complicated. So you got to sign in to sign in to sign in. So I already started signing in, and now I got to sign in again. But here you don't have to put @KSD. Just put your username and your password. And then guess what? You got to sign in again. So one more time. And this will complete the sign-in process and will allow you to download the Creative Cloud app, which we need to have in order to download the Lightroom app. It's complicated. Let's give it a try. So you can see my download is starting down here. Yours might be a little bit different depending on what browser you're using, but your download has started, and that's what's most important. Once it's finished, go ahead and click on this. Something like this might pop up. Sorry, I just got attacked by a fly. Go ahead and click on yes if you see something like this. And the installation process will begin. It'll start by this Creative Cloud installer will pop up, and we'll just click on continue here. And guess what you get to do again? That's right. Oh, you didn't have to sign in because we were already signed in. So feel free to close this browser tab, which we can do. The Creative Cloud installer should pop back up at this point. And this will take some time. So I'm going to pause this video while that's going, and we'll pick it up when it finishes. All right, so installation is completed, and it is loading up now here. And it's going to ask me what app I want to install. Again, you can install any of the Adobe software. So if there's other software you've always wanted to play around with that Adobe makes, you have access to all of it as long as you're enrolled in photography or yearbook class. So that's awesome news right there. This box might hear and pop up. Just click OK. And we're looking for Lightroom. There's two versions of Lightroom. There's Lightroom Classic. We don't want that one. We want to make sure we get this Lightroom right here. So we would just click on install right here. And as long as you're here, eventually we're going to be using Photoshop. That may not happen until we get back to school. But if you'd like to have Photoshop on your home computer, go ahead and install that bad boy. And then again, like I said, feel free to install any of these other software as well. Again, as long as you're in my class, it'll work for you. So there you go, guys. That's how you install Adobe Creative Cloud and then install Lightroom and or any other Adobe app. Let me know if you have any questions or need any help.